So let me show you how to edit videos on your OnePlus 15. Now this phone comes with a built-in robust video editor that can do a lot. So go to your gallery and find that video that you want to edit. So for instance, I've just recorded this little video. If I want to edit this video, tap on the pencil icon at the bottom. It's going to import that video into the OnePlus video editor, and you can see it has a whole timeline and there's so many things you can do. So you can cut and split up pieces and then remove. You can replace the clips with some other clips. You can crop, you can change the speed of that video. You can add music, you can add text, you can adjust so many things, including filters and the frames. And then once you're done with your video editing, of course, you can just go to the top right here and tap on save. Now, of course, there are plenty of options here. You can even adjust the resolution. So if it was 1080p, you can adjust to 4K. You can change the frame rate. So many things you can do with this video editor that comes pre-installed on your OnePlus 15, and it's completely free. All right, it's actually crazy. Thanks for watching, and good luck.